Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing refrigerator soup. It's a recipe that calls for a refrigerator, a pot, and a crazy guy. So join me. Refrigerator soup. This is a way that I learned how to dice onions from a friend of mine. And as you can see, I'm just slicing down into the onion, not all the way through. And then what she did was she just went and took the edge off here. Granted, it's not the prettiest dicing of onions, but this will get you a lot of diced onions in a very short period. Leftover rice, 1 potato, and 1 huge onion, and an 1/8 cup of bouillon. I've already loaded a pitcher of water about this full, and I'm going to load another, well, about half of that in there now. Just a little bit more water, a little bit less water than I need, because I can always add water later. I don't want too much water in this Instapot because it has to heat it all up. Here we go. There's all my rice. We have carrots and celery. 2 carrots and what was left of a head of celery. Spring mix. Organic, great stuff. It keeps in your refrigerator forever. You can use it instead of bagged spinach. You can also make soup out of it and put that in there too. I'm going to do a quick setting on this. This is leftover turkey, jalapeno, and mushroom. And we're all the way to the top. Just push it down a little bit because I don't want things spitting through the top of this. And we're ready to start. One last thing I forgot. I wanted to try something new. I haven't ever done this in a soup. A different flavor for the soup. So why not add a banana in there too? Just for grins. We've pretty much overfilled this pot. And it hasn't been the first time that I've overfilled a pressure cooker. Pressure cook. Yes. 2 minutes is perfect time. Normal high pressure, and we just go, don't even have to hit start. Now we're cooking. This feature right here, this thing will pop up when it's time for pressure, and when I want to take the lid off, I'll be able to just push right here, and this thing will pop up and release the pressure. That faint beeping is the sound that says we're down to 0-0 on the timer. Here's the timer, 0-0. We're gonna release the pressure, the Instapot. They say to keep your hand out of range over here. All you have to do is press the button to release. And we're releasing pressure now. As soon as it releases, also helps to unplug it, because while it's plugged in, it will still put heat to the pot, just to keep it warm. What we're working on is getting it so that this thing here drops down, because right now we're still locked. We can't pull it off. That's a safety feature of the pot. My maiden voyage with this was with the pot roast. I took about a 3-pound piece of meat, 2 cans of near beer, threw them in the pot along with the 3 pounds of meat, cooked the meat for, what was it, like 20 minutes, and then I put a potato in, cooked that for 6 minutes, and then I put a carrot in, cooked that for 2 minutes. Each time releasing the pressure so that I could load more ingredients into the pot. If it was a conventional pot, I would have had to do a cold release and then pull the lid off each time and then bringing it back up to pressure. One thing that I have found that helps is to keep this button, when you're putting the lid back on after loading in ingredients, keep your finger on this button down. It locks in place, but when you take the lid off, this thing automatically pops back up. As soon as this thing drops, then I can pull the lid off and we can see what our soup looks like. Probably closer to a stew. It's going to be delicious. I can just tell. There's one. Just waiting for me. Nice big ladle. There we go. Pressure's released. It's now safe to open up. My daughter also showed me you can fit these into here like that, so that you don't have to worry about your lid hanging down. We'll stir it up a little bit. And also, I forgot to add, I was going to put some chicken stock in there too, which I was down to the last little bit. This is less than a quarter cup, but I didn't want to waste it. Let's see how this tastes. All right. Not the best presentation in the world. I've never been good at plating. Doesn't that look delicious? Don't you want some right now? Smells great too. My new discovery, adding a banana into my soup. It just has a different type of a flavor. You can't even identify the banana as being banana really, but there's a little bit of a sweetness that is hard to put your palate on. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Every day this side of the dirt is a great day, so go out there, have some fun, stay COVID safe, subscribe, hit the bell over here so you can be notified of my next video, and also check out this one. I heard it's going to be a real good video. Thanks for watching.